Excellency Mr. Mohammed Walid Ghazouani, President of the Islamic Republic of Mauritania and the Chairperson of the African Union. Your Excellencies, distinguished heads of states, governments, and other dignitaries. Your Excellency Mr. Musa Faki Mohammed, Chairperson of the African Union Commission. Excellencies, ladies and gentlemen, all protocols observed. Somalia avails itself of the opportunity to congratulate the newly elected chairperson and his bureau and reassures him of Somalia's commitment under his leadership to advance the Union's agenda. Excellencies, insecurity in its various shapes and forms, as the report highlighted, is increasingly becoming an issue of concern across Africa. From the Sahel to Central Africa, all the way to the Horn of Africa, terrorism, ethno-nationalism, communal conflicts are pervasive. And our agenda of silencing the guns is consequently being risked by both state and non-state actors. Our delegation welcomes the report of the Secretariat, and we take note of the positive gains highlighted by the Commission in our security front. From the national security architecture to the fourth generation and the collaborative work with our partners, particularly the African Union. Somali security forces have eliminated Al-Shabaab, the terrorist group that we have been fighting for a while, from hundreds of kilometers of land, districts, villages, and rural areas. And in that case, and due to that effort, hundreds and thousands of Somalis are now able to lead life under normal conditions, enjoying the benefits of freedom. Ladies and gentlemen, we are glad to report that the ATMIS drawdown is also progressing successfully, and we have concluded phase 1 and 2, consisting of 2,000 and 3,000 forces respectively. And in June 24, we're looking forward to further drawdown, which would eventually bring down the total of 22,000 forces to less than 9,500. One final issue we would like to highlight at Somalia is, despite these gains we are making in the security front and the development we are making, Somalia's security and sovereignty has been infringed upon by Ethiopia's signing of an MOU with the region of Somalia. And we call upon this very esteemed assembly to join us in condemning that act of aggression that is at odds and contrary to the very basic cardinal principles of this union that we are part of.